Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to converting the currency with Microsoft Excel. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So imagine that you are working in the money changer, for example, and if you would like to change the customer's currency, for example, here from the rupiah into the US dollar, and you can input the data like this, the customer name and also the amount of money from the previous currency and the another currency that they would like to change. And after that, of course, you need to add the date over here, and also since it is this customer would like to change the rupiah into the US dollar, so it can be mean that these people or this customer would like to buy the several dollar to be converted into the dollar from the rupiah to US dollar. I'm sorry. So we will use this formula, and of course about this buying rate you need to watch about the buying rate of the date that or being up to date. For example, this is the buying rate that I saw in the Bank Indonesia or Indonesian Bank, and as you can see this is the buying rate of the USD. Then you can simply copy it and paste it into this cell, and after that we would like to try to convert this rupiah to become US dollar. So the first step I will do is I will put this cell on this cell of, or put the cursor into this cell, I'm sorry, and I will tap the equal, and after that I will click this cell of D9 that contains about the original price, the original money in the rupiah currency, and after that give it the slash, and you can go to this cell of F6 that contains about the buying rate from rupiah to dollar or to US dollar, and of course don't forget to lock it up with the F4 from your keyboard, and after that you can simply enter it, and there you go. If you would like to change 15 millions to become US dollar, so you will got this $925, and if you would like to round it, then you can minimize the decimal over here. And if you would like to know about the another customer, then you can simply give the double click, and there you go. There are the dollar that they will get for the another customer. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this function or formula into your Microsoft Excel, and if you have any requests or feedback about this video, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below guys, because we would love to see your comments there. And if you find this video helpful for you, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up and also subscribe this channel to watch more on another video. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.